Click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Greypot and click the bell icon for all new updates and notifications from our channel. Today we are trying an Indian and Western fusion recipe. This is Pasta Kheer. Hello everyone, welcome to Greypot. Cook around 1 cup of pasta in boiling water. If you want, you can add some ghee, but don't add any oil or salt. Cook the pasta till al dente and strain it and keep it aside. Now take a pan, heat some ghee and roast some cashew nuts. Once it turns into golden shade, take it out. Now into the same ghee, roast some raisins. Once it gets puffed up like this, take it out and keep it aside. Now into the same ghee, add the cooked and strained pasta and saute it for a couple of minutes. Make sure all the pasta get coated in ghee and it gets lightly roasted. Then add in around 2 cups of milk. Here I've used full fat milk and bring it to boil. Once it gets nice boil, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can skip sugar and add only condensed milk if you really want a creamy texture for your kheer. Now once it gets the perfect consistency, add a pinch of salt so that the sweetness will really get enhanced. Add some cardamom powder for the flavoring. Mix it. And finally add the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Give it a mix. Now our pasta kheer is ready. You can serve this sweet really hot, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for up to 4 hours and then serve it. This kheer has a very similar taste to the Kerala special Pasta Payasam. So do try it out and share your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.